instance, Pakistan entered into is contingent on the ability of the developed world to come, true and to fulfill their obligation with regard to the 100 billion climate fund in due time. This is the first thing. The second thing is, of course, I would say, assisting by example, trying to pursue policies, environmental policies, climate policies that are adaptable to developing countries, and try to make developing countries profit and to some extent learn from the examples that the developing world is setting.